you're in for a treat. Join me as I push myself to the limits of discovering and mastering the secrets of the kitchen, and to ultimately impress the wife. Hello, and welcome to the Stand the Man Show. It's almost the end of August. Can you believe that? The only thing I'm regretting about the lockdown is that I should have started my channel earlier. I could have been there with you guys to help you with the meal planning. Well, that's in the past. Today we are tackling how to make a copycat of Sizzling Pepper Lunch. Yes, that's right. When I say a copycat, I am going all the way. Every detail. Some people just do the dish itself and not the whole experience. But I'm not like them, and you'll see why. It's easy and freaking phenomenal. It fascinates me whenever I order this and they make it in front of you. It's just purely genius. Let's start. Dice your onions. And chop the garlic. Trick for raw corn. Put it in the microwave for 4 to 5 minutes covered with a damp kitchen towel. That's it. Don't boil your corn in water or milk. It'll lose some flavor. Take off as much meat from the corn. And wow, that's hot. Here I have 250 grams of thinly sliced beef. I suggest using cuts that have a good meat to fat ratio like short rib, rib eye, flank, or chuck steak. Or you can just basically go to a Korean supermarket and they'll surely have thinly sliced beef readily available. We'll marinate this with a teaspoon of micellar oil and half a teaspoon of black pepper. On medium heat, we'll saute the onion until soft. Then add the garlic. Deglaze with 1/4 cup of mirin and add your 1/4 cup of honey. Let this boil a bit to get rid of the alcohol in the mirin. Add half a cup of soy sauce and half a cup of water. Let this boil for a minute or two and then thicken it with tapioca starch or potato starch or cornstarch slurry until you get a nice sauce consistency. We'll then use a hand blender to blitz this until smooth. You can use a regular blender or food processor as well. Set this aside for the flavors to marry. Okay, so now we'll heat up our sizzle plate. Add butter. And oh, it's ASMR mode. Serve this to your wife while still sizzling. That custom-made splatter guard is a stroke of genius, by the way. That's what I'm talking about, going all out. For those who aren't familiar, you need to turn the beef to cook it fully. The seared beef, the caramelized sauce, the crust forming at the bottom of the rice, oh man. If your wife hasn't tried this, then she is missing out. And that is it, folks. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Please give this video a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel to get notifications on upcoming videos or recipes. Look at her, she's enjoying it. Enough said, mic drop, bye-bye.